Are you the proud owner of an old car? If so, you know that taking care of it is essential to keep it running smoothly and looking great. In this video, we'll share 5 essential tips on how to take care of an old car. So let's dive in. Tip 1. Regular maintenance. Just like us, cars need regular checkups to ensure everything is in good shape. Regularly inspect and replace fluids such as oil and coolant, as recommended by your car's manufacturer. Don't forget about the filters, belts and hoses too. Taking care of these routine maintenance tasks will keep your old car running smoothly for years to come. Tip 2. Keep it clean. Giving your old car a regular wash not only keeps it looking great, but also helps prevent rust and corrosion. Pay attention to the undercarriage, as road salt and grime can accumulate there. Consider waxing your car to protect the paint and keep it shining. A clean car not only looks good, but also retains its value. Tip 3. Preserve the interior. Over time, the interior of your old car can suffer wear and tear. Protect it by using seat covers and floor mats. Regularly vacuum and clean the upholstery to keep it looking fresh. If you notice any cracks or fading on the dashboard, consider using a UV protectant to prevent further damage. Taking care of the interior will enhance your driving experience and maintain your car's value. Tip 4. Drive responsibly. The way you drive can impact the longevity of your old car. Avoid harsh acceleration and braking, as it puts unnecessary strain on the engine and brakes. Follow the recommended speed limits and avoid overloading your car. Driving responsibly not only ensures your safety, but also helps prolong the life of your beloved old car. Tip 5. Store it properly. If you have a second vehicle or need to store your old car for an extended period, proper storage is crucial. Find a cool, dry place, ideally a garage, to protect it from the elements. Before storage, fuel up the fuel tank, add a fuel stabilizer and inflate the tires to the recommended pressure. Regularly start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to keep the fluid circulating. By storing your old car properly, you'll ensure it's ready to hit the road when you need it. Taking care of an old car doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these 5 essential tips, regular maintenance, keeping it clean, preserving the interior, driving responsibly and storing it properly, you can ensure that your beloved old car continues to serve you well for years to come. So, go ahead and give your old car the love and care it deserves.